What is blockchain? Blockchain is a shared and immutable record of transactions called ledger that facilitates in the process of creation, verification, and updation of records in decentralized manner. In blockchain, the data is stored in form of chain of blocks which are linked to each other. More on that later. How blockchain technology differs from traditional database. In traditional database, the data is stored on a central server, which is controlled by a single entity or a group of people. This provides more power in the hands of entity who controls the data than other stakeholders. This system may lead to issues such as privacy breach, abuse of authority, or hacking. In blockchain, the data is stored in the form of distributed ledger. The ledger is distributed among all the network nodes present at various geographical locations. This ensures that no one have a complete control over the data of blockchain, and any changes in data can only be carried out after consensus among the network nodes is reached. More on network nodes in a moment. Now, for better understanding of topic, let's discuss what are hashing functions and what are network nodes. What is a hashing function? Hashing function is an algorithm which, when given an input of any data, it outputs a unique code of fixed length. This unique code is called hash. Imagine hashing function as a machine. You input a data into it and it outputs a hash of fixed length. For example, Bitcoin blockchain uses SHA-256 hashing algorithm. Now let's discuss network nodes. What are network nodes? Network nodes can be called infrastructure of a blockchain. Blockchain creates blocks of data, and these blocks of data are stored on network nodes. So network nodes can be called distributed servers of blockchain network that are controlled by multiple participants. Nodes can be any kind of computing device, such as computers, laptops, or big servers. When a new block of data is created, it is broadcasted to network nodes for validation. Based on the legitimacy of data, the block is verified by the network nodes and it is added to the blockchain. Now let's discuss how blockchain works. In blockchain, the data is stored in the form of blocks. Each block contains data, hash of previous block, and hash of its own. Hash of a block is calculated by inputting the data of that block into a hashing function. Hence, when someone tries to change the data of this block, its hash changes and it is no longer the same block. As the previous block hash information is also stored in the block, its location in blockchain is fixed and cannot be changed. This makes it very difficult for any hacker to change the data inside blockchain. Also, due to decentralized nature of blockchain, copy of blockchain data is stored on different network nodes. If one of the nodes of blockchain is attacked and taken over, the other remaining nodes will detect the malicious activity and prevent it from causing any further damage. Due to this immutable nature of blockchain, this technology can be used to handle sensitive information such as secure sharing of medical data, personal identity security, money transfer and payment processing, supply chain monitoring, copyright and royalty protection. Now let's understand blockchain transaction process by using an example of Bitcoin transactions. Imagine there are two friends, Jack and Andrew. Andrew needs one Bitcoin for his blockchain-based business. He asks his friend Jack for one Bitcoin as a loan. Jack has two Bitcoin in his wallet and agrees to give loan of 1 Bitcoin to Andrew. When Jack initiates the transaction of Bitcoin transfer, the transaction will first be validated by network nodes. Network nodes will check if Jack really have 1 Bitcoin in his wallet. As in this case, his wallet has 2 Bitcoins, the transaction will be approved by network nodes. In case if Jack didn't has 1 Bitcoin in his wallet and tried to send 1 Bitcoin to Andrew, the transaction would have been rejected by validator nodes. All of these transactions and validations are being carried out in a decentralized way, meaning no one entity or person is controlling the transactions or data. This makes blockchain networks more secured and resistant to attacks. Thank you for watching this video. For more amazing videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.